Drawing with Ava. Hello little friends, Ava here. Welcome to our channel for another amazing drawing. Today we will learn and draw the face of an iconic anime and manga character. Do you know what this character is? You got it! It's Naruto! Now get ready and let's go! We'll go around the whole face of Naruto, then we'll do the details. Let's start drawing the line of your pointed hair from right to left. Let's draw each line step by step very slowly. Did you know that Naruto Uzumaki is the protagonist of Naruto's anime and manga series? It was created by the Japanese manga artist and writer Masashi Kishimoto in 1997. We're halfway through the hair. We'll continue until we finish on the left side. Naruto is a young ninja who dreams of becoming Hokage, the leader of his village. We finished the hair. Now we start with Naruto's headband line. Did you know that the bandana ninja that Naruto wears has a special meaning? It serves to show his loyalty to the village people he represents. Follow the line very slowly. We draw the metal plate in front of Naruto's bandana. The metal plate of his bandana has the symbol of his village engraved to show who he defends. Very well! Let's start drawing the lines of your face. It was very easy so far. We start with your right ear. Then we follow the line to your chin. We will make the curves of your face very slowly. Naruto is a character well known for his determination and courage. We draw the line of the face and end up reaching your left ear. Our Naruto drawing is already beginning to appear. That's fine. Now let's draw the details of your little face. First we detail the lines of his left ear. Now we draw the 3 lines on the left side of the face step by step very slowly. Did you know that these lines are a genetic inheritance? He must have received the lines from his mother even before he was born, along with a part of the fox's power of strength. Now we draw the 3 lines on the right side of the face. Finally, we draw the details of your right ear. Very well! We draw all his right eye, observe his lines, and the circle of the eyes. Now we draw all the details of your left eye very slowly. It was very good. Let's draw the lines of your little nose. To finish the contour of the face, we draw the line of the mouth of Naruto. Wow! Have we finished our outline? It was beautiful. If you are enjoying the drawing so far, you can subscribe to the channel now. That's great! Now let's paint. It's time to color our drawing of Naruto's face. Our design will be very colorful. I have already separated the 5 colors that we will use to paint Naruto. To start our painting, we are going to use the yellow color to paint the hair. It is a very long and pointed hair. Keep painting very slowly. Remember the tips near the ears and eyes. Very well! To paint the headband of Naruto, we will use the dark blue color. Keep painting very slowly. This track can also be called a bandana. Let's use the gray color for painting the metal plate of Naruto's bandana. It was very good. So far, it's been very easy. We will use the light pink color to paint the face of our Naruto. A curious curiosity about Naruto is that he has a technique called Jutsu, for hand seal summoning, where he can summon monsters to fight alongside him on his journey to become Hokage. Pay attention to the curves and details to make a beautiful painting. I really like Naruto. Our painting is getting perfect. To finish our painting, we will use the light blue color to paint the little eyes of our Naruto. It was very good. Wow! Our Naruto is already complete? Friends, our drawing of Naruto was wonderful. It is a very colorful and happy design. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool way to learn about Naruto. Congratulations! It was amazing! Thank you for drawing this beautiful Naruto with me so far. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new design. I will always bring new drawings here. A super Ava kiss and see you soon.